Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to apply a clip art to the furniture at the Workbench in Heartopia game to complete the painted furniture quest. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to make a clip art and you're going to use the drawing board. I'm going to click on this icon to start new drawing. And then I'm going to select wait I'm going to select the joinery desk lamp like this, and then I'm going to start painting, and then I'm going to apply sticker like this. Oops. All right, and then I'm going to apply a color. Wait, let's try this orange color. Oops, it's not good. Okay, let's go with white color or this one. Okay, let's just try random color guys, and then once you're done, you're going to save it, and then you're going to go to the workbench. You're going to click on this icon, and then you're going to select the lamp. It can be any furniture that you want, but since I made the clip art for a lamp, I select the lamp, and then you're going to click on start dyeing and apply the clip art and click on confirm. Okay, and done. And let's see. Okay, as you can see that I've already applied the clip art to the furniture at the workbench. Okay guys, and that's all about the painted furniture quest in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!